just recording, yeah, how people react to. You know, you know a pool? You ever been to a pool?
What are you doing?
Out of these, both of these, which one would you say represents the pool, A or B? When water's in the pool.
What? I say
A, right? Did you know that in school they teach us that supposedly water does the B? You know how? Do you believe Earth is a ball?
Yeah.
Water would have to do what B does in order for Earth to be a ball. But it doesn't do that. We all know that, right?
Yeah.
So that's why Earth is level. Earth is not a ball. So I don't know if you guys ever heard of flat Earth or
Yeah.
have you guys heard about it?
People have been saying that on YouTube.
Yeah, there you go.
They've been saying
So there's a lot of like propaganda, basically a lot of ridicule going on around that, so that people don't look into it. But basically the fact is that everybody knows that water lays level. That's how construction. That's how they build this park. Basically the playground, basically, and any pool in any park. They know that the Earth is level in order to construct. So yeah, you want to take a flyer home? Maybe show your parents. Yeah.
My parents are right there.
Oh, sure. Maybe you guys could show it to you.
You have a YouTube channel?
Actually, we're just about to start putting like this information out there. That way other people can see that it's actually real and it's not just a thing on the internet, right?
May I take one?
Oh yeah, sure, yeah. But yeah, this information is being censored, so. But yeah, go ahead, man.
I'll check the YouTube.
Yeah, no problem. Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah, no problem. No, yeah. Nice. If you had to answer the question, which one would you pick from the two, A or B? From the one in the front right here?
Water, level, water.
We took science. We got
Yeah, I took science a long time ago. But what's the difference?
So which one would you say represents, for example, if we had a pool filled with water, like a pretty long pool, let's say a mile, 2 miles long pool?
Yeah.
Which one of those two will represent the water inside the pool? A, right?
Well, let's pretend this is a bridge, right? And that's the water.
Oh,
Yeah.
I get it.
Yeah, so which one will represent the pool underneath A, right? So do you believe Earth is a ball?
I should flat.
So basically that's a physical
Maybe not
measurement
flat, but
that will
definitely
prove basically that it's level, because water basically shows us that. It's used in construction, it's used in engineering, and basically in anything to level. It's the best leveling tool, basically. So they try to tell us that water does this on a ball, and that's not true, basically.
Yeah, in reality.
In reality, we all know. Engineers know that, but they believe this too because they were taught that in school too when they were little. So,
What about the gravity?
so did you know that gravity is just another word for the word falling? So, what gravity does, it measures the rate in which things fall. So they measure how fast things fall, basically, and that's what they call gravity. But they don't measure the cause of why things fall. So it's just the effect of things falling. So that's just what gravity
And
is.
gravity definitely doesn't have
Anything to do
the
with
shape.
measuring. Like if you say gravity, like how is that measurable curvature, right? Because this will be measurable curvature right here. So look, I actually have the formula here. They tell us Earth is 24,901 miles in circumference, and this will be the formula that will be curving. So on this graph, at 3 miles, there should be a 6 feet deviation from the start. So if you start at 5 feet, at the end it should be 6 feet plus, so 11 feet, the gap. You know what I'm saying? If water's actually curving. But in reality, if we actually build the bridge like a ruler, basically like a giant ruler, the water will be parallel to that ruler,
There's actually
basically.
no measurable.
And basically it doesn't matter the scale. You could say, oh, well, the Earth is so big that, it starts to curve somewhere, but it actually never does.
Yeah, all railroads.
So everything engineering, railroads,
None of them take in count of curvature.
basically.
We build railroads,
Yeah.
bridges,
You guys want to get a flyer as well? Look into. There's some information on there, like some websites and some YouTube videos. There's actually one called 200 Proofs Earth is Not a Spinning Ball, and that's like one of the first ones that I looked at like 6 years ago. That's when it exploded on the internet. And it's been censored since like 2018, like heavily on the internet. So if you try to search something, it's like nothing but propaganda videos, like the first 4 or 5 pages, on YouTube. So those are just direct links to websites, if you guys want to check it out on your free time,